So, we will be unboxing the Doppler for the baby. What is it?
What is
Open
that?
it! Open it! You have scissors? This is like the gel
Why do you need gel?
for the Doppler. This one is Chinese.
Why are you Chinese?
And then this is the...
Are you gonna keep that or sell it?
I'm gonna keep it, of course.
When you're not pregnant anymore.
I don't know, maybe.
Okay, give me it. I'll open it.
Open it.
It's a QR pass.
There's a QR pass. What's QC pass? It's quality control.
Oh. I thought
Quality
it's a QR
control
pass.
And then
I will
this
use
is the manual.
this.
It's in English. Yay, English. Oh, it's too small.
Bro, what did you expect? This is small.
So I thought it's a
This
bit
is
bigger.
tiny.
Oh, wow. Let's try it.
Give me
Yay, let's try it.
Give me.
Oh, we need to put batteries. There's no free battery. Really, there's no free battery.
There's no free battery, Mom.
What size is the battery? Try that one. No. Go get it. Right. How do you turn it on?
Think it's a button. Yeah.
Did it turn on?
Nope. Oh, it
You have to press it. Long press. And then... Oh, there you go. And then... This is how you do it. You put the gel here. Here you go. Here's the gel. There's the plastic.
Did you do that when I was a baby?
The doctor did it.
Oh.
And then put some here. And then... I don't know if this is enough. Is this enough?
I think that's enough.
Can you see it?
It's
Is this
clear.
Okay, let's do it. Come on.
Kind
I'm
of
gonna lie down. Hold it. I'm 4 months pregnant, by the way.
okay, let me do it.
I don't see anything. So where's the baby?
Can I try?
Oh, there's the baby!
55. So the baby's down there.
No, the baby's supposed to be up na, di ba? Sa second trimester.
Maybe the baby just wants to be at that down.
Maybe it's my heartbeat that I think kulang ang gel. Can you add more gel?
Give it. Look. Here, hold this.
Add more gel.
Sige, so.
Turn na.
Turn na kami.
It's already on.
Daghan din, Jill.
Not too much. Just enough. Oh, that's too much, I think.
I feel
Sorry,
like...
Daddy.
So, doon ako pamandagin ko.
No, you just have to look for the heartbeat.
Tara, tara.
Nana, 78.
Sabi.
Is that baby? Slowly.
Oh, 125.
Iduot. Iduot din eh, para makabati kita.
It's kind of weird.
Check the manual. It should say where the baby is.
Where's the manual?
That's it. That's it. That's it.
I'll be right
No,
back.
that's the heartbeat. It's beating. Can you hear it?
Na, heartbeat ni baby.
Yay.
Mura na.
89. So the baby is still down there. press it harder. So it can really hear the heartbeat.
Yeah, it fell.
What is it?
52.
I don't hear anything.
108.
But I don't hear it. Press it harder.
54.
Not too much, but
57.
press it so you can hear.
Mommy, I want to understand something. Why is this here?
How do you mean?
It's like arrows.
I think it's a volume. See, it's a volume.
Okay, give it to me now. I hear the tummy now.
Yeah, that's just a tummy. Maybe that's a bit. Oh, there it is. I hear it. See, it's fast.
I want to ask why does there wait.
It's 150.
You increasing the volume?
See, that's a baby. You excited for the baby?
The baby will be a boy if it's a girl. Oh no. I will name the girl anyway. I will name it Banana. So I will call her Nana. Nana.
Okay, say goodbye na to the video.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye na, Daddy.
Bye-bye. Intro.